All right, here we go, Asif. What's new in the Washington release? It's great to have you back. What features are you most excited about, my friend?
Great to be back, Chad. There are so many features, and I'll just start with the three that came top of mind for me. The first is we are introducing an LLM-powered topic creation experience in the virtual agent. What this allows you to do is it allows you to specify what information to collect from your requesters, but without having to specify the order in which it needs to be collected. And what that allows you to do is really just focus on the outcome of the topic, not necessarily the experience, because that's covered by the LLM. The second one that I'm most excited about is our conversational catalog dashboard, which allows you to see which of your catalog items are going to render within the virtual agent through a conversational experience or through a pop-up experience. And we want to be transparent and tell you that not everything is going to be conversational and give you insights on how to improve it. The third one is going to be the Microsoft Teams integration. And that is helping us meet our customers where they are, right? Requesters like to work inside of Teams, and so we want to deploy the virtual agent there.
And it's awesome. Okay, so question two. Out of all these three that are coming out for the Washington release, what do you think the customers will be most excited about?
Yeah, they're going to be excited about the virtual agent integration with Microsoft Teams.
Okay.
I think that's a huge win for our customers because a lot of their workers work inside of Microsoft Teams. And so for them to have the virtual agent accessible right there is going to provide another level of experience for them.
Nice. Okay. And so a question we always get from customers, it's like, oh, great, you show me all the shiny new stuff coming out. How is this going to complement my portfolio today, what we have from ServiceNow? So how will it complement what the customers have today?
Right. Many of our customers have already invested a lot in their catalog items and in their KB articles. And so we just want to use that as the starting point for the virtual agent. When we say you can be up and running in 15 minutes, we mean that, right? We mean that we can do that because we are simply leveraging those assets, making them, consuming them in the virtual agent as knowledge for it to provide back to your requesters.
That's awesome. Okay. And so last question, we're coming up to knowledge, right? We're going to release this Washington goodness, but there's some store releases coming. What would you like to call out? Safe Harbor applies, of course. What would you like to call out, opening the kimono a little bit with these store releases?
Yeah, I think exciting for me is our multi-turn KB articles. And what that does is it provides an experience for your requesters so that they can, get what they need in that second or third question. You don't always get the answer you want with the first question. And what we do with multi-turn is we remember the question that you asked before so that we can respond accordingly with your second question. You don't have to provide the context again to the virtual agent. And then furthermore, we're going to provide that step-by-step instruction so that the virtual agent is really treating you like an agent would, right? It's not going to give you 5 or 6 steps at a time. It's just going to give you 1 step at a time so that you can complete the workflow without having to remember what step you're on in the first place.
Awesome. Another great session. I appreciate all the insights as always, Asif. I'm sure any questions, any comments, as usual, please reach out to Asif or myself in community. You'll see the links at the end of this. And Asif, again, a great session. Thank you very much, sir.
Thanks, Chad. Great to be here.